bumps, especially if we hit like a very hard bump. It would kind of hurt me. But.
As you can see here, so I cut these out. Doing improved at the rears, and got those last year, and it's been riding great ever since. Ride with the best.
Okay, I just parked my bike right there on the side. Yeah, you can.
Cartridges in mine, what, about a year and a half ago? And it's a different bike. Absolutely love riding it. Love corners, love twisties.
Awesome.
And then I kept telling my son, you got to do it.
I've been hearing him swear by it for the last year and a half. Like, you should just do it. And then I had another suspension in there. I kept, it's clunky, and I called the company up. They're like, oh, try this. And I'm nothing worked. Just do it. Let's get it done.
Awesome.
I'm excited for the ride back.
Thank you. Yeah.
Wow. The front end is so much more responsive than it was previously. Like, it is just any little movement, it pushes back so much better. Like, I'm kind of blown away, actually. Honestly. Thanks, Mona.
Awesome. Thank you, Mona.
All right. Stock suspension, horrible. Now, Big Bear, performance.
Thank you, Frank.
Yes.
Front and rear suspension, and as well as a driveline alignment, neck bearing adjustment.